Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you all enjoy this Friday. So the weekend is coming with the Friday. Also, my second demo is coming with the Friday, and today I will share the eight new update of my application. So in the past week, I spent around 18 hours for this project, and I made 8 updates. The first one, you can see the color scheme is changed. So you might say you only change some color codes, but actually I create a new file and store all the colors with a valuable name. That is not very important for the users, but it is important for developers to save the effect. In future, I need to change the entire color scheme. Like in the future, if I want to change all the button color from this one to like red or to blue, I can only make one code change instead of to search where this button located in the code and to update the style. So this update is make myself life easier. And the second update is I add a library to check if phone number is valid. So the library I'm using is libphonenumber-js, and I will show you how it works. At this moment, let me tap a very interesting number, and we all know that cannot be a phone number. So if I click login, the first thing it will say, please input a valid phone number. Also, this feature is also implemented on the sign up page. If I put a strange number here, and it will also say, please input a valid phone number. So the third one is it will check if the mobile phone existing at the first page of the user sign up. So in the old version, it will only check at the last minutes of the entire setup process, like after the user filled the username, the password, then it will check if this phone number is already exist. The disadvantage is it will waste both users' time and my money, because totally each SMS text message will cost some money, and if I resend the same verified code, if I resend verified code to a same number, that will make unnecessary spend. So I will check the mobile phone number at this step. If it is already existing, I will not send a verified code, which save my money, save user effect. So this is the number already existing in my database. And let's see what will happen if I click send a verified code. It will say the phone number already exists, so it will not send the verified code. And the user, if I'm the user, I may think, oh, maybe I already registered for this app, or I may use another mobile phone. And for the fourth feature I want to demo is, you can see for the error message, they become very small but different color message under the input box inside of a pop-up window as my last demo. The reason is I really do not like pop-up window when I visit a website or open an app, because pop-up window always make me feel this is very emergency or very important error message. And it's not, but if actually it's only some like you put a wrong number or you put a wrong password, I think that's necessarily to make people confused. So I changed the alert message like this inside of a pop-up window. The fifth feature I implement is user can upload the profile image when they create the account. So let's try from the start. I use a non-existing number and send verification code. If I do not input the code, it will show the error message like please input the code. And now I use the correct code. After submit, I can edit my avatar here, and I may use this one, very interesting, from an anime called Ichijo. That's one of my favorite anime. I will just use the name Mew and the password. So if I do not click the agreement or anything or any error message there, the sign up button is disabled until I put the correct match password and check the agreement. Then the button is not disabled and I can sign up. After I sign up, there is a success message. I think I will update that in the future because I still do not like a pop-up window. Maybe I will just hide this one. And you can see on my profile page, there is the profile image, the username, and the phone number. So you can check, am I logged into the correct account? Then I will show the sixth feature. At first, let's log out. The sixth feature is, if you remember the last time, all the user can log in by only check the agreement. But at this moment, you must type in the correct password. So if you check the agreement but didn't type the password or use a wrong password, it will say the mobile number or password is incorrect. So you must using the correct password to log in. So the seventh feature I already demoed, that is the profile page with my name, the profile image, and the phone number. So let's jump to the last one. The last one is I implement a simple post page. You can write something and upload the image here, and at this moment it will not display on the home. So I want to make the home page like a place that everyone using this app can see the others' posts, but I have not added this feature yet. At this moment, if you post something, you will see under your personal profile page. So suppose I post nothing, what will happen? It will say you cannot post empty. And I can type something, so maybe I will just type in the I may just type in the current date and the time. So I will say March 8th, and right now is 8:35 a.m. Test. And I will also upload some image. So I save some Chikawa and Nichijo image. Let's click the post. It says post submit. This part is still need to be updated because I do not want the keyboard pop up again. But just leave it here at this moment. And we can see the new post on my profile page. You can also post only the text. and all the posts will be sorted in the time order from the new to the old. And you will see the test only at the top of the last post. And I can also try something like this is the third one, and I will click post. Let's see. So the first one, the second one, and the third one, so it is ordering in as my expect. This is the last feature I finished in the past 1 week. So at this moment, I want to thank the last video comment that say it gave me a lot of encourage, and I will also keep working on it, and hope I will see you next week. Have a great weekend.